you. Move that box for me, will you? Look in it. That's a present.
Oh, the kitten!
Look again!
No, look again.
Look again!
Come here!
Look again! Open the box. Look again.
There's two!
One's for you.
She was gonna cry.
The white one's for you, honey.
The white one is yours. We didn't name them yet. You'll have to feed them.
You gotta look at this.
You'll have to feed
It's a
them.
good thing you told me to look in there because I was just gonna knock it over.
Well, I was going to tell you it was fragile.
Oh my god.
The white one is yours.
Oh, they're so sweet.
Pick them up.
That's what my first cat looked
Okay,
like.
that one's C2. And then this one's mine.
Their tails fell off because they got frostbite. Mommy gave up on them.
Hi, sweetie.
You got to pick up the white one and you got to look him in the eye and say hi.
Come here, baby. Come here, baby.
Look at the eyes.
Hello. Hi, sweetie.
They're probably covered in cat food.
No, 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 not my sweater.
Oh, baby.
Hi, baby. Oh my god.
Told ya. You need to look at his eyes.